Taja Kids.
Meet the planets. These are the planets of our solar system.
I am Mercury. I am the smallest planet and closest to the sun.
I am Venus. I am the hottest planet in the solar system. Ouch!
I am Earth. You call me home. I am also the only planet with liquid.
I am Mars. I am really dusty and cold with a thin atmosphere.
I am Jupiter. I am twice the size of other planets, so they call me a giant.
I am Saturn. I am surrounded by a series of icy rings.
I am Uranus. I rotate on a tilt, so I look like I am sideways.
I am Neptune. I am the smallest gas giant and farthest from the sun.
Please subscribe to our channel.